Imagine your local El Paso auto shop, buzzing. But not with customers, with AI. What if a secret weapon could skyrocket your business while you sleep? Meet America's best shops marketing, automating growth like never before. Picture this, AI targeting the exact drivers needing your repair services right when their car breaks down. No more guessing games, just pinpoint precision. Now here's the wild part. Local shops using old marketing waste thousands monthly, but these AI tools can slash costs by 70%. Think of it as having a marketing robot 24/7, finding customers while you fix cars. And it's hyper-local, El Paso-specific strategies that hit in the mom-and-pop neighborhoods, where loyalty means everything. Feeling skeptical? Data shows shops using AI marketing double their customer calls in months. It's not science fiction, it's your future. Ready to turn your shop into El Paso's go-to auto repair hero with less effort and more results? What's stopping you from automating your success? Dive into the AI revolution today.